Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Home with your LG TV. So, first thing is just simply go ahead and make sure your LG ThinQ TV and Google Home devices are powered on and connected with the same Wi-Fi network. And after that, on your phone, download and install the LG ThinQ app from the Play Store or App Store and sign in or create an LG account. And after that, just simply open the ThinQ app and select the plus icon and select the TV and follow the prompts to add your LG TV to the application. Now go to the Google Home app and tap plus and set up device works with Google and then search for the LG ThinQ. After that, just simply link LG ThinQ to Google Home and sign in with your LG account and grant access. And once a link, your LG TV will appear as a controllable device in Google Home. And from there, you could try commands like Hey Google, turn off the TV, or Hey Google, increase volume on LG TV to confirm it's working. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.